December 28th. 9 weeks. 3 days pregnant. Oh, today feels like a crock of shit. There you have it. There you have it. I can't find my Kindle. I have cried on and off all day. Just emotionally, I'm like not keeping it together. Which is so unlike me. It is just so unlike me. Which is perfect. Oh, what fun. It's the perfect shirt to be wearing right now. Isabel's just being a little tiny rock star. Even though, like, she is struggling, you know, every question is met with some sort of, or, you know, like, she asked me, and if I say no, it's always why. Even if I give her a why, even if I give an explanation, even if I'm like, no, we're not going to do this because A, B, and C, or no, that's not what we're going to do right now, or whatever. Like, it's still, like, everything is pushed back right now. And she's 4. She's almost 5. She's, like, 5 or 6 weeks from 5. And I know that that is so normal. And that the fact that she feels safe enough to question everything says everything about my parenting. And it just makes me want to cry right now. And, you know, my house is a disaster. I used to be like totally a clutter person. Laundry never put away, or dishes out. Like I used to be totally fine with clutter. And I think since I left my the intimate partner violence relationship, the IPV or DV relationship with her dad, since I left, I have not been able to deal with it since, and my house is just destroyed. My house is destroyed. We are in the middle of winter break, and I understand that, but like, the hormones, man, the hormones. And like, there's just things I want to say that I can't say. Like, I was talking to a friend and she's like, I think we need to reframe this whole thing. And I'm like, I don't fucking feel like reframing anything right now. Like, I just feel like being able to feel my feelings, say them out loud, not bypass them, not reframe it. Like, it just fucking sucks. This is not how I planned for this to be. And I know it's all going to work out. I know it's all going to be fine. I know I'm an amazing mom. I know I will figure this out. I know I will love this, everything about this eventually. But like today, this week, maybe these last 2 weeks, I just fucking don't. And like, that's okay. Like, I'm allowed to feel that way. You know? Like, I'm allowed to feel that way. So, I wanted to take Isabel on one of our hot girl walks, which I guess the Starbucks is unionizing, so I'm kind of glad we didn't end up doing that, although I wanted to, because I was like, I just need to get out of the house, but like, she just did not want to go, and I just like didn't have it in me. Like, I just didn't have it in me to be like, you know, we're doing it. And I usually have it in me. I usually have everything in me. So, I'm just feeling it. But we did end up going to Zoo Lights with my mom. My older sister and her husband and her 2 kids came. It was cold, but it was fun. And she fell asleep on the drive home. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. I was able just to put her in her bed. No battle there. And she's going to go to Shirley's for a few hours tomorrow. So I'll be able to catch up and do the things that I need to do and want to do and all the things. It's just fucking hard today and yesterday. I don't know. This 2 weeks, this end of the year. There's a lot of grief. Just a lot of grief. And sometimes I just want to be petty and unhinged, and I just can't be. But I want to be.